Have you ever wondered how AI transforms language communication? In recent years, artificial intelligence has revolutionized translation services. It processes massive data quickly, breaking language barriers like never before. Tools like Google Translate and DeepL offer instant translations at our fingertips. But let's explore further. AI is fast and efficient, yet it has limitations. Nuances in language and cultural context can be overlooked. Human expertise is vital to enhance AI translations. AI translation tools are powerful but not perfect. They depend heavily on algorithms and databases. This means idioms, humor, and cultural references may be lost. For instance, a phrase that makes sense in one language may sound nonsensical in another. Moreover, AI systems can misinterpret homonyms or words with multiple meanings. This can lead to translations that sound correct but lack context. Human oversight is essential to ensure translations are accurate and meaningful. Human translators offer cultural insight and understanding that AI lacks. They interpret context, tone, and intent, essential for resonating with audiences. By collaborating with AI, human experts refine translations for precision and relevance. Here's what human translators provide. They adapt translations for cultural nuances, ensure quality by editing AI outputs, and deliver creative input for marketing or literature. Combining AI and human expertise creates a powerful translation synergy. This blend offers high-quality translations efficiently. It preserves the original message while addressing cultural context. For businesses expanding globally, a hybrid translation approach is beneficial. It ensures rapid market entry and quality communication with diverse audiences. The future of translation is bright as AI technology evolves. With advanced machine learning algorithms, AI tools will improve. However, the need for human expertise will persist. Moving forward, businesses must merge human insight with AI capabilities. This partnership enhances translation quality and fosters deeper cultural connections. Meaningful global interactions await. Ready to enhance your translation strategy? Embrace the collaboration of AI and human expertise for better communication. Partner with Letspeak-AI, a division of Letspeak Inc., to transform your business communication with AI-powered translation services. Visit letspeak.ai.com today